Okay. So today we are going to study about what it is circles. Okay. So circles we have come across in your lower classes. We know what is the basic terms of circles. Okay. So what is meant by radius and what is meant by diameter and arc and what is meant by chord, everything we have studied in your lower class. Okay. So once again we discuss about what are the basic terms we are going to see here in circles. So this is very important. Okay, so when you are taking a circles, so we know this point is what it is, center. This point is called center. Okay, and then next we can see what is the radius. The center we know what it is. Oh. The next one is radius. Center CME So hello students, today we are going to discuss about circles. Okay, circles already have studied in your lower classes and we have come across many basic terms of what it is circles. Yes or no? So circles, in that you can see how the radius will be in circle. How the radius will be in circle. So the important thing to what it is to form a circle is what? Radius. So how the radius will be in circle? Any idea about that? From the center to the end of that what it is? That circle. Okay, fine. How the radius will be? Half of the diameter, it is fine. I am asking that how the radius will be throughout that circle.
Same.
Same. That is right. Because the radius will be what it is, equal for the circle if you are taking in any places. Okay. So normally in the lower class we have studied how to construct the circle. Means we will take some 5 centimeter if you are going to construct the circle. The whole circle, the radius will be what it is, 5 centimeter. Circle will be 5 centimeter. Okay, so here, which is the important thing to draw the circle? Radius. Okay, so now, so in the basic terms, here you can see that center. First center, you can see that this part, in the middle, what it is, the midpoint is called center. So that will be denoted by O. Okay, and the next one is radius. So the radius is from the center. If you are going to draw the line to the edge of the circle is called radius. O. This is the radius. Okay. So likewise, the radius will be equal everywhere. All the radius will be like what it is. It is equal. Okay. So the radius are equal in the circle. So that is very important here. So here OA is a radius. Radius will be equal throughout the circle. Then only we will get exact shape of what it is. Then only we will get what it is, exact shape of circle. Or else it will be like what it is, oval, or else it will be some other what it is, a different shape. Understand? So the radius is very important for circles. So from the center, the line which you are going to draw to the end of the what it is, the circle is called radius. Any doubt on that? Fine. The next one is diameter. Next one is diameter. The next one is what it is, diameter. So when you come into the diameter, here you can see that we'll have so many chords. Chords means the line segment which you are going to draw inside the circle is called what it is, chord. Okay. So here this is called chord. So many chords will have like this. You can draw to the circle. Even though you can draw like this, yes or no? Okay, if you are going to join the 2 points in the circle, that is called what? We can draw the chord. Okay. So here, based on this diameter, okay, based on this diameter, the chord which passes through the center. The chord which passes through the center, it is called what it is diameter. Okay, the chord which passes through the center is called what it is diameter. So OAB. So how many diameter we can draw? Infinite diameter we can draw it here. Understand? There are infinite what it is diameters we can draw. It is not only in this way, we can draw in this way. Many ways what we can do, we can draw the diameter. So here AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. So based on diameter, how to convert into radius means. So already we know that from the center, if you are going to draw the line towards the edge of the circle is called radius. So and we know the radius will be equal. The radius will be equal. So in diameter, how many radius are there? In diameter, how many radius are there? Diameter, how many radius are there? R plus R. So radius plus radius. We are having two radius. Therefore, we can say it is 2r. So diameter is equal to 2r. Diameter is equal to what it is? 2r. Or else, from here, if you are going to find the radius, so radius equal to diameter by 2. Radius equal to, therefore, we can say that r is equal to d by 2. So that's what we used to say, that radius equal to diameter by 2. This is very important. This will be using in the what it is? Area related to circles, at the same time surface area. Okay, so if it is circular region, compulsory we should have a radius. If the diameter is given, we have to convert that into what it is? Radius. Any doubt in diameter? And one more point, the longest chord is called chord is diameter. Longest chord is what it is? Diameter. Which is the longest chord? Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Any doubt about the diameter? We understood that? How the diameter we are getting? How it is converted into radius? Okay, fine. The next one is chord. Next one is chord. Based on this chord only, we are going to see the things what in this chapter. Okay, so in this, in the circle, if you are going to join any 2 points, the point it should be on the circle. If you are going to draw the line like this, if you are going to join these 2 lines, that is AB means, so here AB is called a chord. AB is a chord. Understand? The line which is going to what it is. We need 2 points in the circle like this, so that is called what it is. Okay. Joining 2 points is called chord. Okay, so here we can draw many chords according to the points how they are played. Understand? You understood what is meant by chord? Any doubt in this? Okay. And the next one is R. Next one is what it is? R. R will be based on curve. Chord is based on line segment. This is very important. This will be used in the next chapter. Keep that in your mind. So chord is based on line segment, and R is based on what it is. So if you are taking a circle, in the circle, here if I am going to mark only this portion like this, if I am going to take only this portion like this, so this portion is called R. This is called what it is? R. So it is OAB. So we can give the name OAB. So here this AB is called what it is? R. This is a small r. So we can say it is what it is, like a minor r. The remaining thing we can take as what it is, major r. You understand? This r we will use in the next chapter for finding the area. finding the area. Okay. So far we have discussed about what is meant by center and what is meant by radius and what is meant by diameter and what is meant by chord and what is meant by arc. Do you have any doubt on this? Are you clear with this concept? Yeah.